Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, the real official, original, authentic, one and only the guy from Pittsburgh. This is an experiment to see how the Vivitar camera light looks. Now I'm going to go over here to cut this off at 5 minutes so I can pay for the editor and get full video. So I may do a couple of these. And thank you, Derry, for generously donating the cat food for the outdoor kitties. I really appreciate it, and so do the outdoor kitties. Now they won't go hungry. Okay. I'm walking across the street, keeping an eye on the time, and trying not to stick my foot in a puddle or break my leg. So this is the first time I'm using the new camera light. At night. And it is slightly raining. Can't see that, it's too far away. Okay. And normally I do this with a car, but I can't because we don't have a working car right now. Ooh, that's pretty. Way down there. I'll go film that tomorrow, where Santa's workshop is. This lady used to have cats. I don't know if she still does or not, on the first floor. Here's the Catholic Church. You can see the steeple, although I don't know how clearly you're going to see the steeple. And that's all the Christmas lights on anywhere around my apartment. So that's the clock tower, that very nice ringing multiple times a day. There's some lights up there, but I'm not walking all the way up there. Oh, there's a tree in the window. This is really great though. I don't have to hold on to a light anymore. So, and I love Christmas decorations. I can smell the pine tree. Nothing on the street ahead of me. When I grew up, everybody decorated for Christmas. Outside and in. Things have changed. Okay, I'm running out of time. So, I'm going to go back and turn this off. See if I can get that tree in the window. Or cut it off. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe out there. Stay warm and dry. Bye-bye.